Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are trying to recreate American Girl's Truly Me market stand for the dolls. To craft the stand, I am using a mix of thick and thin foam board. Cut a front wall from thin foam board, a lower shelf from thick 10mm foam board, a support wall, and an upper shelf from thick foam board. I chose to cover them in light wood grade contact paper. For the front wall, I sketched out the basic shape of the market logo. Then, using a variety of scrapbooking paper and cardstock, I cut and glued the pieces into place. For the white lettering, you can use a gel pen or white brush pen. To mimic the metal legs, cut 8 long strips of foam board and 8 short strips. Using the Foamworks rabbit cutter, trim a small section from each strip. This will help them slot together neatly to form a column. Now, paint your columns black. Add a small rectangle of foam board at the base of each leg for feet. Let's assemble the stand. Flip the front wall over and hot glue the shorter front legs to the outer edge. Leave a tiny gap between the bottom of the wall and the feet. Take the lower shelf and the support wall and glue them together at a 90-degree angle. Attach the upper shelf to the support wall, making a Z shape. Flip the Z piece over and hot glue the back legs into place below the upper shelf. Then, hot glue the front legs to the lower shelf as shown. For added strength, I cut lengths of foam cord to connect the front and back legs. To match the AG version, you can use wooden dowels or skinny sticks for added structural support. Now touch up the legs and supports with black paint. To make display crates for the stand, I chose to use jumbo and super jumbo popsicle sticks. Mark the length you want to cut. Mine are 8 centimeters long. Then, using a straight edge and X-Acto blade, score through the popsicle sticks. Use pressure to snap them apart. If the edges are rough, use a nail file to sand them smooth. For one crate, you will need a jumbo popsicle stick for the front, 3 super jumbo sticks for the base, and a super jumbo and jumbo stick for the side wall. Make 3 of these. Use tacky glue and some low tack tape to hold the crate together as they dry. You will notice the left and right side walls are trimmed at an angle. For the freestanding signboard, sketch out a rectangle. Mark out the legs and smaller inner rectangle. It should look like this. For the chalkboard element, I am using stickers from Officeworks. Trace the inner rectangle for size reference onto recycled paperboard. Then cut around it, leaving a small seam allowance. Adhere the chalkboard stickers and decorate your sign with a white gel pen. This is what you should have so far. Take the front and back pieces and paint them. I chose baby pink gloss spray paint. To attach the chalkboard, I used 1/8 inch double-sided tape. Press firmly all around the edges for a good connection. Lastly, use tacky glue or even hot glue to join the front and back of the sign together at the top. That's it. Now you can stock your market stand with all sorts of goodies. Some pieces I have from other AG sets, and others I have crafted. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a tutorial for the smaller accessories, such as the creme brulee pots, jars of preserves, or flower vase. Thank you for watching, and come back again to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.